Let us see what is function and what is pattern. Let me to show you an example. In this statement, we are saying srcs means source. This is one variable, and this variable is we are assigning to something here. Okay, this wildcard is a function, and the right hand side, the star.cpp is known as patterns. And this function and pattern will give us something. What is that something? That depends upon the pattern. This pattern is saying give all the CPP files. Okay. Now in this folder, all the CPP files, okay, will be get stored inside this variable srcs. I mean to say CPP file will get stored means what? Name of the CPP files. Okay. A folder may have .cpp, .h, readme or some other files, but it will not care about anything else other than .cpp. Okay, as per the pattern provided here to this function wildcard, it will return us what? It will return us all the CPP file name with extension CPP definitely. Okay, and that we are storing inside srcs. Okay, now this is the way to capture all the source files. Do not you think that how to get object file names and binary names? Okay, so let me to show you. Suppose our source file name is sample.cpp. What is your expectation for object file name? Definitely it might be sample.o, and binary name you might be preferring sample. That means name of the file should be our binary name, and name of the file .o should be our obj file name, right? Likewise, if you will take another example, there is one more file, sample1.cpp. So object file might be sample1.o and binary might be sample1, right? So how to get this name? Because now we have to write something by which we can get the object file name from the source file. So how to do that? Okay, or how to get binary file name from the source file? Okay, again I am repeating, we are just deciding the name of the source file, object file and binary file. Okay, so let me to show you. We can determine name of the binary files in this way. We will say get srcs. Srcs is nothing but all source files. Okay, that means src holds what? All CPPs. In this case, src is having sample.cpp, sample1.cpp. Okay, and here we are saying get everything from srcs. src is nothing but collection of some file names, that is sample.cpp, sample1.cpp, and what it will do, this percentile is each CPP will be substituted by the name of that CPP. That means if here it is sample.cpp equals to sample, sample1.cpp equals to sample1. If I will say x.cpp equals to x, xyz.cpp equals to xyz. I hope you understood how it is working. Okay, all the CPP files inside srcs will be replaced by the name of the file and get stored inside beans. This beans is a variable. Likewise, if you want to store object file names, let's take one more variable and store object file name using this trick. So if we are saying percentile, then we are getting what? Name of the file only, right? Name of the file. Here sample, here sample1. This percentile is name of the file. Okay, from this pattern, name of the file and extension, take name of the file, take only file name stored inside beans. Right, now if I'm saying percentile.o, then what it will take? From this pattern it will take name.o. We can write it in this way. Okay, if you are saying percentile.o, that means filename.cpp will be substituted by filename.o and get stored inside obj's variable. Okay, and this will happen for all the files matching this pattern inside srcs. Okay, I hope now you understood what is this substitution reference. whatever we are doing here, we are doing substitution here. Okay, this is known as substitution reference. And this wildcard is function and star.cpp is buttons. Here, star.cpp is a parameter to function wildcard. We will see how to write our own functions in upcoming lecture. Okay. Now hope you understood how to get all the source files and how to determine binaries, object files using patterns.
Do you want to be an expert in C++? Do you feel C++ is difficult? Do you want to start your career as a C++ developer? If your answer is yes, then I am having a good news for you. Join my demo session on upcoming Sunday. Contact me for getting more details. I am Subrat, working as a C++ developer since 19 years. I have been using C++ 17 as the C++ standard for my development work and updating my skill in C++ 23, which is upcoming standard of C++. I can teach from beginning level to pro level by giving different examples to different level of students. If you know C++ or you are a C++ professional, you would like to revise or improve your knowledge in C++ for doing better in your current job or for cracking technical interviews, then you can join with me. I am compatible with most of the IDEs like Qt, Visual Studio Code, and also online compilers. To demonstrate some of the C++ features specifically for C++ 20, sometimes I use online compilers. I am available only online. You might have some questions, I feel, right? When to start our C++ journey? Where to get the assignments? What is the roadmap? When we are going to complete the course? Where is the plan? To know all these details, join my upcoming demo session by contacting me here. And before closing, I would insist you to bring your doubts. I mean, if you feel one concept that is difficult to understand for you, then come up with that and I will try my best to clear your doubt inside the demo session itself if our time permits. So waiting to see you inside. Thank you for your valuable time just now you spent here. Thank you. Bye.